Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a water network in Icarus. Now there are gonna be a lot of things that you're going to require for you to make a water network. Now over here on the tech tree, over at the tier 3, try to go over at the left side of the tech tree and you will be able to find the biofuel composter right here, which then goes to the biofuel can. Now just right after that, you're going to be able to find the biofuel water pump right here, and most importantly, the water pipe tool. These two are pretty much your bread and butter in trying to make a water network. Now for me, I am a little bit more advanced into my story progression here in Icarus, so I'm going to use an electric water pump right here. But if you're not on the electric level yet, you can just use the biofuel pump and get your biofuel from the biofuel composter right here. Just make sure to refill the biofuel cans so you have some fuel to work with. Now the recipe for the biofuel water pump is pretty much just 16 pieces of steel ingots, 4 pieces of electronics, 12 pieces of epoxy, and 16 pieces of copper wire. But if you're using the electrical variant, the electric water pump will cost 24 steel ingots, 4 pieces of electronics, 20 pieces of concrete mix, and 16 pieces of steel screw. Now I already have it crafted inside my inventory right here, so I'm just going to place this down. Now when the water pump is pretty much highlighted in white, this is a viable place for you to place it down. Once you place it down, because this is an electric water pump, I'm gonna have to connect it to the power. Check over to the node right here, press left click, and then connect it to my water pump by pressing left click. And as you can see, it already has some power inside it. Now, if you are using the biofuel water pump, you just interact with the water pump and then put the biofuel can inside to power it. Now comes making the water network. Once you press left click on the water pump, you're going to be able to see this node right here that is on my mouse. Let me just place it right here. Now, once you see this circle right here, this is pretty much a node. This is pretty much where you start with connecting some water pipes. Now, let me just press left click. And I should be able to connect it over to here, all the way here, and then eventually I'm going to make it go all the way up because one of my buildings actually has an option for me to use water, so I'm going to place it right here, and you can see the highlight right there. Now I'm going to press it right here until eventually you reach the building that needs water. For example, right here, my glass working bench, I can only make reinforced glasses through the use of water that is attached into the glass working bench. Now press left click onto this node again and then hover it over to the glass working bench. And by pressing left click, you should see that the icon for the water right here is pretty much glowing. Now if one of your buildings do need some water, you can just press anywhere from this pipe or inside this node to immediately extend it somewhere else, as you can see right here. And you can do that pretty much an unlimited amount of a distance. And that's pretty much it about how to make a water network in Icarus.